Windows 11 PC is taking longer time to boot up. Once you start up your computer, you have to wait and keep waiting. And you have been thinking either to change the RAM of your device or to change the hard disk or the SSD card. What if I'm here to inform you that that is not the real issue. The issue is that there are some settings you need to put in place to make sure that your computer boosts up fast when you on it or when you power it on. In this video, I'll put before you 3 important settings that you need to put in place right away to make sure that your computer starts perfectly and run fast each time you power it on. The first thing you have to do is what we call fake shutdown. A lot of users ignore this because they don't know it exists. So here, follow me as I walk you through the process. Click on the start button here. Now in the search bar, type in control panel. Click on control panel. You likely see something like this or something smaller. Now click on this drop down menu and select small icon. Doing this, expand that big menu and break down some of the programs you access on your device. Now go ahead and click on power option, this button. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. At this side, locate and tap on choose what the power button do. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. Now take a look at what is here. These buttons are gray, they are not editable. Now here is the deal. You need to edit this button and turn off this button. Turn on fast startup, which is recommended. Now to enable this button, go ahead and click on these change settings that are currently unavailable. This link, click on it. Once you click on this button, then take a look at this. It is now editable. Now turn off this button or you shake it to unshake it. Now you've turned it off. What it does that this is just wasting your time on your computer. It means your computer will not properly shut down. Now once that you shake all this button, then click off save change. Once you click on save change, each time you restart your computer, it restart at fresh, completely fresh. Then your computer will going to perform very well. Now this takes us to the second settings, which is known as silent resources hog. A lot of program is running at the background of your device which you don't know because you permit them, and it's not your fault. It is being permitted by Microsoft itself. So you are here to take control of this so that your computer will run very fast when next you power it on. To do that, go and access the task manager. There are so many ways you can do that. So right click on the startup menu or you click on the panel here, right click and tap on task manager. Once you tap on that task manager, you have yourself at this place. Now at this side, click on this button, start up apps, that look like speedometer. Click on it. Once you click on it, then take a look at what you here. You have republisher, status, and startup impact. Now take a look at status. If you take a look at what you say, you see that a lot of the apps I have here is disabled, and if your own is enabled, please disable it. How you do that is very simple. Click on it, right click, then tap on disable. Now that is disabled and it's going to make sure that your device will run very fast each time you start it up. Your browser, disable it. Then if you use cloud AI, any other thing that you don't normally use, disable it. So the only thing that will encourage you to enable here is your speaker. Make sure your speaker is enabled. Then the security, make sure it's also enabled. Now that I've done that, then close this, then you are good to go. The last but not the least on the process is what is called unlocking the processor. A lot of people ignore these settings to unlocking the processor. So here's what you need to do. It's very simple. We're going to run command here. So tap or press Windows plus R on your device. It brings you to this interface. Type in this word MXCONFIG. Now hit the enter button on the keyboard. It brings you to this interface. Now go ahead and tap on boot button here. Once you click on boot button, then go ahead and tap on advanced option or click on advanced option here. Now that I click on advanced option, go ahead and check this button, number of processor. Then click on this drop down arrow and select the highest. It tells you that when your system is powered on, that is you use all the processor so that your computer will run very fast. Then here I'll pick 4. Your might be 8, might be 12, might be other, so I'll pick 4. Now tap on OK, tap on apply. Now tap on OK. Once you tap on OK, your system will ask you to restart. You can see restart. Your system will ask to restart or assist without restarting. So all you have to do, guys, is to restart your system. Now once you're able to do it to this place, restart your system and let me see if your system open or display faster than usual. So that's what I have to check with you guys in this video. If you enjoy what I've explained, if you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.